Ran on starter fluid, so. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to Doug's Cars. It's another fun night here at Sports Car Workshop. It's another Tuesday. We're gonna see what we can get done tonight. Not sure if we're going to be doing anything with the Red Rover, the White Rover, or any other things around the shop here. There's a lot going on as usual. But stay tuned, let's see where this night takes us.
Oh, it's startery?
Yeah, it's another starter. Let's see if this one should probably be tested first, right?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Oh, hot boy.
What does it say on it though?
91
Oh, sweet.
Range Rover.
So this looks like it might be a good one.
Well, I don't know about that.
White Rover coming in. Over here. How does this look underneath? Oh, yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah. Well, I mean, at least as good as the other ones.
Pretty easy car.
It is.
That doesn't matter.
Okay, that makes it way easier.
And then this one has to get clamped on.
Oh yeah.
Well,
Doesn't want to spin.
It's spinning slowly. Yeah, there
Oh, beautiful. That's good.
we go. That works.
Right.
What other fun stuff?
I haven't seen it before.
Those are light covers or something? Oh, taillights. Luggage divider.
These will be for sale.
Those will be for sale?
These will be for sale.
Yeah, because someone in the comments asked me for taillights off of the
There's
red one.
also the taillight housings. This is a power steering.
Well, thankfully I don't need that, but nice.
Yeah.
Under
I know, right?
hand
I
cover.
figured that was going to be yours anyway. This is nice.
Going over to the Red Rover to see if we can maybe, I don't know, put the starter in over here. It is shady at least. And it is kind of high off the ground.
Yeah, that's doable.
Nice.
Oh, you get under there.
Right, yeah, you can get under the pumpkin, yeah.
Oh yeah, this is honestly like
And it's probably
nicer than having it on the lift.
and it's probably nice and breezy and cool out here too.
It's not, well, I get a little. It's shaded under here. Got a little cross breeze going on.
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Want me to bring the starter?
I gotta get my tools and stuff.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. You just throw it up in there, it'll be fine. Well, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. We're gonna get this one started. Now that the starter's in, we know it works. We just started on some starter fluid. I know a fuel pump's been ordered, but it's not in stock yet, so let's see what happens. I've been waiting for this for a long time. This thing's been through a lot.
was like, wow, that's taking up 100. That's really weird for a Range Rover.
Yeah, they don't do that at all.
I love when the trips don't
Ready?
Yep.
Go again?
It's only got 11.8 volts. Yep. Oop. Woohoo! Awesome.
Exhaust leak.
Yeah.
That's standard now.
Yeah, right. Well, hey, y'all, that's you can't ask for a better result than that. That thing fired right up and ran on starter fluid. So I know once that part comes in, it'll be running good. And I think they might actually have a buyer for it too, which is nice. So always good to see another Rover start up again. Not going to see it drive today, that's for sure. But thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Like 440 some subscribers now, and it's just been fantastic to interact with y'all and just bring this to you. So thanks again.